Dear student, we are going to study next topic decimal representation of rational numbers. Example 1 7.4. We get decimal representation by dividing numerator by its denominator. Now divide 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Now remainder is 3. Now take 0 here point. 4 sevens are 28, carry 2. Now take another 0. 4 fives are 20. Therefore remainder is 0. Here the process of division ends. Such type of decimal representation is called terminating type. Therefore 7 upon 4 is equal to, we can write 1.75. Such type of decimal representation is called terminating type. Now we study second example. Solution. Divide 5 by 6. 6 0 0. Now 5. Take 0 here point. 6 8s are 48. Remainder is 2. Take 0. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 2 0. Now 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 2. 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 2. Means here in the quotient the digit 3 repeated continuously. Therefore 5 upon 6 is equal to 0.8333 dash dash. This is written as 0.83 or 3 by dot. Such type of decimal representation of a rational number is called non-terminating recurring type. Now we study practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3. In this practice set 1.3, question 1. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Example first, 9 upon 37. Solution. Divide 9 by 37. 37 0 0. Here 9. Now 37, you have to point. 37 2s are 74. Remainder is 10 में से 4 गए 6, carry 1 16. Now take 0. 37 4s are 4 7s are 28, carry 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Have remainder 12. Now take another 0. 37 3s are 3 7s are 21, carry 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 plus 2 11. It is equal to now take 0. 37 2s are 74, and here the remainder is 16. In this example, the digit 2 repeated 2, 4, 3 repeated so many times. Therefore, we can write this 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243 dash dash dash. In this decimal representation, the group of 3 digits 243 is repeated many times. Therefore, we can write this as 243 and here bar. In this way, we can write rational number in decimal form. Now, example fourth example. Minus 103 upon 5. Solution. (103 upon 5). Solution. Divide 103 by 5. 5 twos are 10. Remainder is 0. Now take 3. 5 0 0. Remainder is 3. Now take 0. Here point. 5 6 are 30. Remainder is 0. Here the process of division ends. Therefore, we can write minus 103 upon 5 is equal to minus 20.6. Therefore, this is a terminating type of decimal representation. Therefore, we can write minus 103 upon 5 is equal to minus 20.6. In this way, you have to solve remaining example of the exercise 1.3.